Hello fairies and welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon. I'm excited because today we're going to be doing one of my favorite things in the world, which is cleaning and organizing. This is going to be part 2 to my makeup declutter that you probably saw last week. Didn't see I decluttered a bunch of my makeup and this is what I was left with, and today I want to take everything out of this drawer, clean it all up, and just get it nice and organized for us. Before we do get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join our fairy fam here. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I really appreciate it. Let's get started on some cleaning. So I pulled my drawer out just so that I could have more space to kind of spread out and clean it all. I have to say I've been enjoying having this drawer decluttered a lot since I did it last week. It just feels a lot more curated and organized, and I was able to fit all my palettes up along the front here, which has been really nice because I can see all of them. I've been enjoying it. I think it looks really good and I'm happy with where it's at right now. So I think I'm going to start by just taking everything out of here and cleaning up this whole thing, and then I want to clean everything off. Okay, I'm going to vacuum this out. Got the Dyson and let's clean this up. You guys, the vacuum just died. I'm so annoyed right now. So we're just gonna switch to the rag. Now, I love this vacuum cleaner, but it does take a battery and I feel like I always forget to charge it and then it always dies. I'm just gonna use some Windex to clean this out and a good old rag. That looks really good. The rag didn't get too crazy dirty, so it wasn't terrible. Okay, next, this thing needs cleaned out so bad. I'm going to take everything out of here and then wipe out this organizer. I don't know if you can see, this thing is disgusting. It needs cleaned really bad. Let's get this clean. Actually pretty gross. Had some really gross spots on my rag from that. Should probably do that more often, to be honest. Next thing I want to do is kind of put everything back in here and then kind of individually wipe off and clean some of the items that have gotten a little gross. So let's do it. Bag is really gross. I think I'm gonna go get a new one to clean all my eyeshadow palettes. I have to say this is looking so nice and clean and organized. So I think I'm gonna go through all the palettes now and clean all the mirrors. I like having the mirrors all clean. I just feel like they get dirty. I can't believe how dirty this stuff got because I had done this like not that super long ago. Let's get started on the palettes. Okay, I have everything cleaned and put back. I am so happy with how this is looking right now. This is something I want to try to start doing more often, and maybe this will inspire you if you haven't cleaned up your makeup for a while. Get it out and clean it up. It feels so good just to have it clean. It's kind of amazing how dirty it really gets, like just from having makeup on your hands and then touching everything. There was actually like a lot of buildup on some of the palettes and like especially on the tops. I think from like spraying setting spray and it landing in here. So yeah, I'm gonna go put this away. This feels so good. I love it. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is get my box ready to send to Project Beauty Share. So I did a little research and you can send in certain like makeup items that are lightly used and they will clean and donate them to people in need that can use them. They take more than just makeup though. It looks like you can send jewelry and like feminine products, things like that. I will link their website below. It has all the information you need on there. I picked up today a flat rate box from the post office. This is what they recommend using to ship the items. I think I got a medium box and it's going to cost about $16 to send, so it's not super crazy. So I'm going to go through, here's all the makeup I was able to like decide was good enough to donate for them. So I'm going to get this all wrapped up and put in this box. And I thought I'll just go through and kind of clean this as well. Let's see. All right, I'm going to have to get some packing tape. Alright, got my shipping supplies basket. I'm actually gonna go get some clean paper towels to use. I feel like that's a little more sanitary for, you know, the stuff I'm gonna donate. I also grabbed out some bubble wrap in case I need to wrap any of the items. This feels really good to donate this stuff to someone that can use it and appreciate it more than me. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna take everything out. Okay, so I think I'm going to start by packing in all of the palettes into the box. I feel like these should probably get bubble wrapped, you know, just to be safe. So let's start packing this up. Okay, so I think for the rest, I'm going to use some of these bubble mailers that I have. I've got tons of these, and I'm just going to put some of these items into these. I guess I should probably seal it up. I do have 3 brushes I'm going to be donating. I think those will be fine. Just kind of lay on the top. And then I also do have a couple pairs of earrings that I'm going to donate, these little rainbows and these old heart hoops and some hair clips as well. I'll put those in a bubble mailer. And I do have extra space in here, but unfortunately I don't think I have anything else to donate at this time. I feel like I put together a really nice box and it feels really good to do this. I think I'm just going to put a little bubble wrap on the top just to keep everything tight. Okay, that was a lot of bubble wrap, but we're going to put that on the top and seal her up. Okay, I'm gonna look up the address and then I will share that with you in case you want to make a donation. Okay, so now that I'm reading this, it says that you don't need to use bubble wrap. I should have read that before. I don't think that I'm going to like unpack and redo it, but it said you can use paper. And oh, here's the address. I guess I'll just address it to Project Beauty Share. Okay, I will put the address in the description box because it's hard to see on here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my return address on here and we will send this off. All right, our box is all set and ready to donate. All right, I think that's going to do it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, hanging out, cleaning with me, and helping me donate my makeup. I had a lot of fun doing it and it feels really good to have that all done. There's no better feeling than just having a nice, tidy, organized, decluttered and clean space, in my opinion. I'm excited about the Project Beauty Share. It's something that I want to keep in mind for the future, and it seems like a really good cause to donate to if you have any gently used makeup items or beauty products in general. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really appreciate it. We'll see you all next Sunday, and until then, remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye.